Introducing the Gigabyte Aorus 15, our top pick as the best budget gaming laptop of 2024. From the outside, it's hard to tell that this sleek device is a gaming beast, but when you lift the lid, you're greeted by a powerhouse combination of a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA's RTX 4070 mobile GPU. This potent duo allows the Aorus 15 to take advantage of NVIDIA's state-of-the-art frame generation AI technology. Leveraging deep learning super sampling, DLSS, this technology enhances your gaming experience by adding more frames. At first glance, the Aorus 15 exudes a sense of sophistication with its subdued design. It has subtle hints of its gaming nature, like the per-key RGB lighting and the bright strip beneath the display. With Gigabyte's Control Center software, you can customize these lighting effects to match your taste. Despite its slim profile of 0.82 inches when closed, the Aorus 15 feels solid and substantial, weighing in at 4.96 pounds. The metallic top screen and the plastic base form a sturdy structure that displays quality craftsmanship. There's no hint of any creaking or flaking, and the lid opens effortlessly to reveal a 15.6-inch 2560 by 1440 display. Under the hood, the Aorus 15 houses an NVIDIA RTX 4070 mobile GPU and a 13th generation Intel i7 processor. It also boasts 16 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 memory, which is expandable up to 64 gigabytes, and a terabyte of NVMe storage for the OS drive, extendable up to 8 terabytes. To keep this powerful machine cool, there are numerous fan openings. The majority of the heat is expelled via the rear exhaust system, which extends about an inch from the laptop. One of the noticeable design enhancements this year is the rear placement of most ports, including an HDMI 2.1 port, DisplayPort 1.4, a Thunderbolt port with power support, and DC power. This positioning helps to minimize cable clutter, especially when the laptop is plugged in. The Aorus 15 is undeniably a formidable gaming machine. Users have reported achieving over 60 FPS on ultra settings in almost all games tested. The QHD display delivers sharp contrasts and vibrant colors, and the 165Hz refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay. During regular use, the Aorus remains quiet, with fan noise barely noticeable during video playback, web browsing, or other common tasks. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.